The most desirable 22 reg cars are just arriving. Here's another hot hatch on a 2022 Golf R Mark 8 in Lapiz Blue, beautiful new generation colour with the key extras. Panoramic sunroof, 19-inch black diamond cut Estoril wheels, winter package, so you've got your heated seats and your heated steering wheel, 900 miles, ready to go like new. So popular, these cars, 300 brake horsepower, 4-wheel drive, hold the money, desirable, fun to drive, latest generation, new model car. New complete front end with the IQ lights, the black styling, so you've got the black front splitter and built into your fog lights. You've then got them wheels, which are so important. If one of these cars hasn't got the 19s, I do not buy them. So 19-inch wheels, they're called Estoril Black, diamond cut, and then you've got the blue calipers. You've then got the little R badge with a gloss black. The big one, panoramic sunroof. You've then got privacy glass on the back. You've got your full Golf R kit, and then you've got that big, beautiful rear diffuser on the back, finished in gloss black with them quad tailpipes at the back. New generation LED lights as well, which is stunning, which is part of that new generation Golf R and Mark 8 shape. Inside, obviously they've changed everything inside as well. So if we get in the car, I'm just going to stop that. Keyless start. Obviously it's the brand new interior. I mentioned earlier on in the video there about the key features. One of them is the heated steering wheel and the heated seats with it having the winter pack. Another for extra, which has been paid for, is the reversing camera. And then you've got all your standard features, things on this car which are very expensive options on other cars, things like adaptive cruise control, things like your heated steering wheel, they come standard. Glass roof, touched on, fantastic option. And everything, they've changed everything. It's like, it's not a switch, it's just like a little slide like that to do the roof back and forth. And the same with all your navigation. Everything's touchscreen, but everything's very, very usable. On your steering wheel, everything's just ceramics. You can just dead easy to use. You've then got your, obviously, performance out of this. It's 320 horsepower. You've got your quick shift gearbox, and then you've got them paddle shifts there as well. And then you've got all your different driving modes. So if we go into mode, you've got comfort, we've got sport. So now it's gone into race. You hear the difference, the change in the exhaust power. Sounds superb. This beautiful carbon effect trim throughout the door cards and across the dash is lovely, and then you've got ambient lighting running all the way through there as well. So the car is as you would expect. It's done 900 miles. It's a 22. It's right colour, pan roof, 19-inch wheels, reverse camera. Just the spec that people want. In the back, bags of space. You've got rear digital climate control. You've got rear ambient lighting running into the door cards as well, which goes beautiful with that checkered Golf R interior. Boot space, it's a hatchback, so we've got a great boot. You can drop the seats down as well. So the practicality of a Golf R, again, that is why they're so popular. And there's hardly no 2022 cars available. We've got one, it's got the right extras, it's in the right colour, it's beautiful. It's going live on our website in the next 5 minutes. Thank you for watching.